Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how we can pass the values from a multi-row variable set using JavaScript. So I've created a dummy catalog item just for demo purpose and added a multi-row variable set to it. So let's add a few values to the multi-row variable set so that we can try to pass it in the backend via background scripts. Let me add some values over here. Just one. Let's add a few more. Okay, so now we are done adding some values to the multi-row variable set. Now I'm going to submit this catalog item. And from here, I can see the request that was submitted. Let me copy the RITM number from here. I will search for this particular RITM. Here it is. Let's give it some time. So these are the values that we have submitted. Let me copy the SysID from here. And let's go to the background script. Now in the background script, I've already written these two lines of code. Let me add the RITM SysID over here. So now what we need to do is we need to write a script so that we can pass those values of the multi-row variable set. Now the name of my variable set is server details. Let me copy this. And the way we get the variables usually is object.variables.variable name. Okay. And using gs.info, we can also see which format we are getting the data in. Okay, so if I do run script here, it gives me the data in this format, which looks more like an array of objects. This is my one object, like curly braces, then comma, then this is my second object, and this is my third object within these square brackets. Now, since this looks more like an array, let's check if the type of this variable is array or object. Okay, this is an object format, so it might fail if I try to do instance of. So, okay, let's try this here only. Okay, it returns false, so we cannot directly use it since instance of array is false. Now let me try another way. Whether array dot is array. Okay, this one also returns false. Now what to do? So I think what we can do here is I can try to bring my data in the string format and then pass it. Using json.parse. Now let's see if this works fine. Okay, this one returns 2, which is good. Now let's also try whether instance of works fine or not. Okay, this one also returns 2. So I think we can use both the methods since we have passed the data which was coming after getting the variable value. So let's go. So I'm going to go ahead with the first one for now. And you can obviously try the second one yourself. So if it is an array, I want to enter within this if condition, and then I want to loop through the data. Count is less than object dot length. Now here I can simply try to print the data. So what all we have type, right? So count is basically the position in the array for a particular item. Items dot type. Now why I'm writing dot type, because let's go to the variable set. The name of the variable is type server underscore name link and port. Okay, so let's go back. Port link server name. Now let's see whether I'm going to receive the data or not. So overall it looks good. Let me run my script. Okay, so this is the data we entered: test1, then port 11, then test2, 22, test31, port 33. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we can pass the data from multi-row variable set using JavaScript.